The PayPal app is a mobile application that allows users to access their PayPal account and perform various financial transactions conveniently from their smartphone or tablet. Here's how the PayPal app works. Download and installation. Users can download the PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play Store for free. After installation, they can log into their existing PayPal account or create a new one if they don't have an account yet. Dashboard. Upon logging in, users are greeted with a dashboard that provides an overview of their PayPal account balance, recent transactions, and other account details. Send money. Users can send money to friends, family, or businesses directly from the app by entering the recipient's email address or mobile number and specifying the amount to send. Request money. Users can also request money from others by sending a payment request through the app. The recipient will receive a notification and can easily fulfill the request. Manage transactions. The app allows users to view and manage their transaction history, including incoming and outgoing payments, refunds, and pending transactions. Security features. PayPal app includes security features such as two-factor authentication, fingerprint or Face ID login, and transaction notifications to help protect users' accounts and sensitive information. Additional features. The app may offer additional features such as a mobile check deposit, bill splitting, PayPal cash card management, and integration with other payment platforms and services.